Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to calculate the distance between two locations inside Python with a free module called as geopy, which contains a method to calculate the distance between two locations. So first of all you need to install this module. So pip install geopy. I've already installed this module. So now after installing it, we written this simple script. We provide the location 1 latitude and longitude, and location 2 latitude and longitude, and then we calculate the distance between these two locations. So if I try to run this Python script, you will see it will provide you with the distance which is in kilometer, 585.53.10 kilometer. So this is your Statue of Liberty, and this is your Eiffel Tower. So I will show you how to initialize this. So first of all, using this module, free module, it contains this distance class. We need to import this, and here we need to specify the location 1, latitude and longitude. So latitude and longitude are nothing but the locations or coordinates that you specify while plotting locations on a Google map. So these are used in plotting on a physical map. So here we are providing these latitude and longitudes, and then after that we need to calculate the distance between them. So this provides you with a simple method. So here we specify these two locations, location 1 comma location 2, and then it has this kilometers property, so it will provide you with the distance, how much distance is there. So here you can simply print out the distance like this. So it's a very handy module, guys. You can see distance between two locations is that. So we can even convert this. Let's suppose you only want to write the two locations. You can use chat GPT here. So I will say just convert the script so that I don't want to provide latitude and longitude. We just want to write city names. So I'm just asking ChatGPT so that we can write city names instead of writing the latitude and longitude. So it has given me the script here. If I paste the script, so instead providing the latitude and longitude, now we are providing two city names. You can see this is the city 1, this is city 2, and then it does the same thing. If I run this script now, you will see you first of all need to initialize this. So you will see distance between New York City and Paris is 585.60 kilometer. So in this easy way, now instead of providing latitude and longitude, we provided two cities, city 1, city 2, and then first of all we convert this into the latitude and longitude. For this we use geocoding method. For this module is a very handy module. It provides you with this method which is geocode. So we convert these physical locations into latitude and longitude by using this method. After we get this latitude and longitude, we store it inside these two variables, and then we actually provides the kilometers. We again use the same method, geo description. We provide these two locations, and then we simply print the location distance between these two cities, and you can cross verify as well. So if I say distance between New York City and Paris, so it's 3625, I will say in kilometer, 5833 kilometer. So again this script is also returning the same result. It's round about the same here, which is 5850. Google is telling me it is 5833. It's round about the same. So we can change the locations here. Let's suppose I say I want to Sydney to Auckland. So I've given the script, guys, in the description of the video. If you need the script, you can go to my website and copy paste the script. It's very simple. The nice part is that it's completely free. You don't need any sort of API key. You simply replace the locations and then it will tell you the distance between the two locations. So you can see that. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.